Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can remove unwanted object from our photo using Inshot application. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have opened my Inshot application, and first of all we can go to the photo section and click on new to start creating new project and select a photo you would like to remove the unwanted object from. I'm gonna go with this photo for example, and then I'm going to remove this object from my photo. If we want to remove unwanted object, we have to overlay this photo with the same photo. We can go to the PIP option, click on it, and this is the same photo. I'm going to add it to my project. Okay, and we can zoom in to fit the screen like this. You can use both of your fingers to zoom in, and after that we're going to put mask to cover the unwanted object. Click on the mask option, and I'm gonna go with the circle mask, and we can resize the mask like this. I'm going to take this part to cover the unwanted object because I think this part of this photo will be suitable to cover it. Okay, we can click on the check mark, then we can drag the mask to cover the object. You can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with the result. Then to make it more natural, I'm going to adjust the lightness. We can go to folder and go to adjust, and here select lightness, and I'm going to reduce it. Okay, and I think it's perfect. Then we can click on the check mark, and this is the final result. And I know guys that this trick can't be applied to all types of your photo, but at least here I'm just going to show you the basic tutorial on how to remove unwanted object from your photo using Inshot application. Alright guys, and that's all of the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.